everyone, welcome to the channel. Happy New Year. It is 2020. I am on my way to lunch, but I need to run into Target to pick up a few things. No, I need a car. Bathing suits are ready, Target. Really? Really? I don't really like those either.
That is cute. Well, it's cute on me.
Look. That's cute, right?
It's the same thing as this without the hood.
No, it's not. It's different material.
Oh my gosh.
I like this top. This is medium, but I don't like the way the pants fit. These are a large, and I don't like that. And I don't like this white part going down. But I like the top. I wanted to get it. I was looking like for a loungewear set. This would be nice if they didn't have this white thing going down, and if they had a medium. Oh, they have cookies and cream. I don't know about that. Let's get some turkey pepperoni. Excuse me, I need to get diced tomatoes.
Girl.
Let's do what's this? Petite diced. Cause I want to do
Petite ones.
petite.
I know.
I want to do turkey chili.
Oh. You should make me a bowl when you make that. Swing by and drop me off the dish.
Just the plain vanilla. Should I get the mini peppers? To eat, just to snack on them. Colgate with linseed oil and peppermint. You want to try one, Tara? No, they're $4.99.
Yeah, Pepsi.
And they have Colgate Zero. Also, ooh, a hater from the Himalayas. What about it?
It looks cute.
Girl, it's only 99 cents.
That's why I said it looks cute.
You
It looks
want
cute
one?
if it's cheap. I have one.
And they have different ones.
It smells like a meadow. I don't want to smell like a meadow.
I don't need a mask for my hands.
They're a little rough.
My hands are not rough.
They're a little rough.
Whatever. My hands are not rough.
That's why you get that big bottle of nigga. You use that for one hand.
Aveeno hand mask.
Are
they're
they
cute.
They're like the single serve ones.
Oh, look at these little Neutrogena makeup remover. Little cleansing towelettes. They're cute. How much are they? They're probably $5.99. And how many you get? You get 20 of the little packets. That's cute.
That way you can take them with you on the go.
That's cute. That's cute. Here, put them in the cart. So anyway, did I tell you guys we're going to lunch?
Yes.
We're going to lunch today, but I wanted to stop in Target to get a few things.
We know this, sis. You said this already.
Haters gonna hate. She's a hater. Egg mousse soap. Girl, come on.
It's a facial day.
Stop throwing things in the cart, first of all.
Who said that? I didn't do that. No.
Everyone, we are done shopping, but I just wanted to thank everyone for shopping with me, for coming along with me. If you haven't done so already, please give this video a thumbs up. Have a productive day, and I'll see you next time. Bye.